Last weekend when we were out at Dirt World for the Bay Area RC Car Basher group event, I had a couple subscribers approach me and ask about the Alameda Beach Bash video. So throughout the day I thought about it and they were right. It's time we put together another great RC car bashing video and mix it up amongst all this epic crawling content. If there's a specific type of video that you enjoy the most on this channel, make sure to support it. Share it out with your friends and family, comment on it, like it, and subscribe on those videos because we try to target the content that engages our audience the most, and when we see those numbers, we will produce more of those types of videos for you guys. So don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe below, and stick around because at the Alameda Beach Bash, we not only had sand drags, but we brought back out the old mega ramp and reassembled it for another epic day of RC car bashing. And you're not gonna wanna miss that, so stay tuned. Broken. Thank you for watching. We hope you enjoyed the content. Please remember to like and subscribe. Smash that notification bell so you don't miss out, and we'll see you all next time.